Hello students, so we are doing probability lesson. So exercise 13.2 16th question. Okay, in a hostel 60% of the students read Hindi newspaper. So probability of reading Hindi is 60%, which is 6 by 60 by 100. Okay, then we have 40% read English newspaper. 40%, so 40 by 100. Then 20% read both Hindi and English. Both means we have to take intersection, Hindi and English. Okay, so 20 by 100. Now you have to find the probability that she reads neither Hindi nor English. Means she is not reading Hindi, not reading English. So not means you have to take the complement. That is complement of she is reading Hindi or English. Okay, so P of Hindi or English complement. So this will be 1 minus P of H union E. Okay, so we know the formula for this. P of H plus P of E minus P of E intersection H. Okay, $60 by 100 plus 40 by 100 minus 20 by 100. Okay, so this becomes 100. So 100 minus 20, 80 by 100. Okay, so this is 10 minus 8, 2 by 10, right? So it comes to 1 by 5. So this is the probability for she is neither reading Hindi or nor reading English. Okay, second one is, if she reads Hindi newspaper, find the probability that she reads English newspaper. Means she is already reading Hindi newspaper and also she is reading English newspaper. Means this Hindi newspaper event has already occurred. So this becomes your conditional probability event. Okay, so you have to find probability that she reads English when she has already read Hindi newspaper. Okay, so this is E intersection H upon P of H. Okay, so intersection H is given 20 by 100 upon H is 60 by 100. So 2 upon 6, that is 1 by 3. Okay, third one is, if she reads Hindi newspaper, okay, then she is reading English newspaper. So this is same as the previous one. Means she is already reading the Hindi newspaper, but then she is reading the English newspaper. So you have to find probability of, no, English she has read already and Hindi she is reading. So you have to find the probability of Hindi when English has already happened. Okay, conditional P of E. So 20 by 100 divided by E is 40 by 100. So it is 1 by 2, half. Okay, so we are starting with the next subtopic, Bayes theorem. Okay, so it says that if E1, E2, En are n non-empty events which constitute a partition of sample space S, that is E1, E2, En are pairwise disjoint and their union is sample space. Okay, and A is any event of non-zero probability, then P of EI, I ranges from 1 to n. Okay, P of EI into P of EI upon summation I from, okay, this you have to take j from 1 to n, P of EJ, P of A EJ, okay, where I is from 1 to n. So this theorem or the formula you have to keep in mind. Okay, in this type of problems you will have many events. Okay, many events will be there, and one event, that is A, will be there, and then you have to find the probability. Okay, so let's solve some problems to understand it better. So the question is, bag 1 contains 3 red and 4 black balls. Okay, so bag 1 contains 3 red and 4 black balls. Then bag 2 contains 5 red and 6 black balls. Okay, one ball is drawn at random from one of the bags and it is found to be red. Now they are drawing one bag, one ball, okay, and it is found to be red. Okay, find the probability that it was drawn from bag 2. Okay, now your events will be, this is your first event E1 and this is your second event E2. That is, event 1 is choosing from bag 1 and event 2 is choosing from bag 2. Okay, now 2 bags are there. Okay, so the probability will be what? You are choosing ball from bag 1 and choosing ball from bag 2. So 2 bags are there. So the probability will be half, right, of both. Now your A event you have to define. That is, A event will be choosing a, that is drawing a red ball. Okay, now they have given condition, right? Find the probability that it was drawn from bag 2. It has to be drawn from bag 2. Okay, so this you have to find the probability of drawing from bag 2 and it should be a red one. Okay, so the probability becomes, it is from bag 2 and the event which has occurred is, it should be a red. Okay, this you have to find. So for this you will need A over E1, that is, it is a red and from bag 1, and A over E2, that is, it is a red and from bag 2. Okay, so this will be, the total are 7, right, and red are 3. Here total are 11 and red are 5. Okay, this you have to find. So this, for this you have to use Bayes theorem. So E2 and A, so here it will be P of E2 into P of A over E2 upon addition of both, that is P of E1 P of A over E1 plus P of E2 P of A over E2. Okay, then you have to find the total. So that will be, P of E2 is half into A over E2 is 5 by 11 upon E1 is again half, 3 by 7 plus half into 5 by 11. Okay. So half you can take a common. So half you can take common. So 3 by 7 plus 5 by 11 remains. Half and half gets cancelled. So this will be 5 by 11 upon 33 plus 35 upon 7 into 11. Okay. So 5 by 11 into 7 into 11 upon 68. So this also goes. So it comes to 35 by 68. Okay, the final answer is 35 by 68. Let's solve one more problem. A doctor is to visit a patient. From the past experience, it is known that the probability is that he will come by train, bus, scooter, or by other means of transport are respectively. So there are 4 probabilities. Okay, 4 events are there. P of A, that is by train, 3 by 10. P of B is 1 by 5. P of C, 1 by 10. P of D, 2 by 5. Okay. Now the probabilities that he will be late are 1 by 4, 1 by 3 and 1 by 12 if he comes by train. Okay. Now he is coming by train and he is getting late. Okay. So your event will be the main event, okay, that he comes late. That event you can take as E. Okay. E is the event he comes late. Now he comes by train and he is late. So this becomes P of E over A. Right? He's coming by train but he is late. So this is 1 by 4. Then he is late and he is coming by, second one is bus. Right? So this becomes 1 by 3. And last one is scooter, that is P of E over C is by 12. Okay. But he comes by other means of transport, then he will not be late. He is not coming late if he is coming by D, that is by other means of transport, means this probability will be 0. Okay. Is not coming late. P of D over E over D. This is 0. Okay. So we have all the information. Now we have to see what to find. Okay. So when he arrives, he is late. What is the probability that he comes by train? So he is late and you have to find what is the probability that he comes by train. Train means A. A we have taken for train. So your probability of finding will be A over E. Okay. So let's write the formula. P of A, P of E over A, and then you have to add all the probabilities. P of A, P of E over A plus P of B, P of E over B plus P of C, P of E over C, and last one no need to write, you can write also because it will become 0, right? So P of A is 3 by 10, 3 by 10 into 1 by 4 upon 3 by 10 into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 into 1 by 3 plus 1 by 10 into 1 by 12. Okay, so now can do multiplication. Okay, so this becomes 3 over 40 upon 3 over 40 plus 1 over 15 plus 1 over 120. Okay, then you can make the denominator same. Okay, this you can do by into 3 15 4s are 60 and 62s are 120, so 4 into 2 plus 1 upon 120. Okay, so 3 by 40 into, I'll get, this is 9 plus 8 plus 1, so it comes to 18. So this will be 120 upon 18. Okay, 6, so it comes to half. Okay.